Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. It's still hot here in Canada. I got a question here from somebody on my YouTube video I put up. If you haven't seen the last batch that I've been doing last week, here, let me flip you over to the computer here. Alright, so here on my YouTube channel I put up two videos. One called Demo of Live Cryptocurrency Profit Loss Algo Trading, and another one called First Glimpse of Fully Automated Trading in Cryptocurrency. So this one in particular, Demo of Live Cryptocurrency Trading Profit Loss Algo Trading, that is a very important fact, and I'm going to tell you why. The reason is that as a programmer, specifically coming out of the world of Java development, we need to understand logging and debugging tech capabilities, which can be applied to the world of trading. A lot of people will look at charts, but the data says it all. And I've got logs that will spit out interesting stuff. So I'm going to be doing a webinar on that. It's all only for my members next Tuesday night, I believe. Can't remember what night it is. Just give me a second here. I can tell you exactly. It's a week tomorrow in 8 days. Just give me a second here. So we are looking September 11th. I'll be putting that as an event on my Facebook. Okay. So we got, so there is the calendar, yeah. All right, so question came in. Let me just pull it up here. Very valid question on that video I just showed you. Hi Brian, please can you guide me here? Can I purchase an algo from you and pay for positions for guidance on configuring it, or purchase the config while at the same time doing the art course? I already know technical analysis, keen to get automated, been trading for a while. No, now. All right, so let me show you what we've got. Very, very important. Okay, so if you go to my Quant Labs store, we have two courses. I've got my Python one, which you can see here is Python 3, Infrastructure, Blocks with Crypto. And then if you go a little lower, you'll find this legacy stuff, which is complete R courses. Now, a lot of people ask about R's. So let me show you a very good article I just put up from Quora. All right, so the question was, is there any point in learning R if you already know or use Python for data science? I'm going to answer these two questions. So if you're already a successful data science using Python, I don't think there is any reason for you to proactively go and learn R. Python has concluded to gain mind share relative to R, and I don't see that changing. That said, if you find yourself needing to use R for a particular job or project, the transition shouldn't be a huge obstacle. Given the rapid evolution of languages and platforms in the industry, I'd recommend never getting too attached to any particular development stack. Besides, learning how to use a new language should be relatively easy compared to many other challenges you face as a data scientist. Let me just get some. There was another good answer in there as well. So let me see. Learning R is not necessary in my opinion. I come from the very background and I get all my work done using Python. From my understanding, the way the field is going, Python has overtaken by a large margin. That is so true. Anyways, going back, every new tool written in C++ or Java normally has Python bindings. For R, though, that is not the case. Some tools, like Keras, though, also has R bindings, but mostly the bindings don't work as well as they do with Python. Sometimes, though, in rare case scenarios, you will find that something is not available in Python. Then you can look into implementing in yourself in Python, or learn a little bit of R just to make that part of code work, to get it as part of your code You can then execute the R code within Python using system commands. Also, do share codes for wrappers in GitHub whenever you do so. There was another good point here about a lot of the bindings. I think I just read it. All the bindings are Python. Everything, a lot of stuff has Python bindings. So that should answer your question right there, is that you do want to stick with the world of Python. R is, from what I'm seeing, specifically in the world of machine learning. And Python is taking control. If you have not seen the latest news about Google bringing out some new convolutionary formulas, it's all in Python and no R. So that's for TensorFlow. So that's basically Python is a standard. So yeah, you definitely want to stick with Python. So what we have here, let me just go back to my store here. Yeah, so you'll see here I have Python, two versions of Python actually, Python 2 and 3. But with Python 3, that's getting consistently updated now. I've added quite a bit. Of content to that Python 3 course. Now I just added Oanda and interactive brokers Python connections. I had another piece of content that shows you how to download content or data from Binance. I show you a simple script on how to do that. So I'm consistently adding to that course, and to add more to it, it gets pricier. And that's how I like to keep it. So that's my view, and that's why I have that legacy part in R. So that's your best option. The future is pretty well and is here in Python. So that's where you want to go. And everything I do is going to be in Python. And eventually I'll be doing a little bit of C++. I just find everyone says Python is too slow. Well, think of it this way. To do a framework and C++, it'll take you probably 2-3 times longer than if you did everything in Python. So think of it that way as well. Hopefully I'll help you out, and we shall talk to you later. Actually, let me just see. I'll make sure I answer. Regarding an algorithm. If you're not a programmer, I'm going to be launching my new quant analytics service, which is just basically pricing signals. If you have not seen the videos, I've got the capabilities to put up a watch list and a position manager as well. So not only be able to watch positions being put on as they happen and being taken off, but also watching what is being watched, basically, as those position and entries potentially open up. And I'll be testing more of it all week, and I'm pretty excited on that, and we shall talk to you soon. Hopefully I've answered your question. Talk to you later.